Hello, my name is Francisca Sanchez. Today is July 18th, 2018. It is week 3, lab 3 of Bio 225. Today I am going to be doing the bacterial morphology and staining techniques. I've already disinfected my workspace, and here's all my things I'm going to be using for today's experiment. Okay, so let's get started. So, it wants me to clear workspace, wash my hands, which I've already done, and I've put on my safety goggles, my face mask, my apron, and my gloves. I disinfected the work area already. Now I'm going to label the end of a blank slide right here. I'm going to label it 1 direct M. The number 1 indicates that it's the first slide, indicates the procedure we will involve a direct stain, and M indicates that the sample will be taken from the mouth. Okay? I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to draw a dime-sized circle on the opposite side. So a dime size. Okay, right there. And then I am going to scrape the inside of my teeth and gums with the sterile swab. So now I'm going to scrape. I got my sterile swabs. I'm going to just take one out. So I'm going to scrape the inside. Set the slide. And I'm going to smear this on my slide. Right in the middle, in the circle. Okay. I'm going to allow this slide to completely dry. And then we're going to want to heat fix it. So we're going to light our tea candle. Let's see that. Light the tea candle. And the slide so the smear light will face upwards. So we want to make sure that the smear is facing upward, and it's completely dry. Hold the slide at the edge with a clothespin. So here's my clothespin, and pass it over the flame 5 times for no more than a few seconds. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Allow the slide to cool for 10 minutes. So we're going to allow it to cool for 10 minutes. And we're going to put it in our staining tray with the smear side up, so that can cool. And then we're going to place the slide in the staining tray, side up. So after it cools, we're going to let it cool for 10 minutes, and then I'll be back so that I can place the crystal violet on top of it. Okay, my slide has cooled for 10 minutes, so now I've already placed it in the staining tray. right here. And now I'm going to just blow that out for a second. I am going to apply 2 drops of the crystal violet. One, 2. I'm going to allow that to dry for 60 seconds. And then let it sit for 60 seconds. So we got about a minute, and then I'm going to gently rinse the slide with tap water by holding it at an angle over the staining tray and allowing water to flow over the stain on the slide and into the tray. So I'm going to do this until the liquid stain is removed from the slide. So we'll give it a couple seconds just to finish off the 60 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay, I let the crystal violet dry for 60 seconds, and then I rinsed it off into the tray. So now I have this. So now I'm going to place it in the microscope. I dried it off with the paper towel as well. So now I'm going to take a look at it under the microscope at high, medium, and low, and I'm going to take some photos of what we got. Check it out. And then I'm going to start the negative, the 2 negative and 1. I'll be right back. I'm going to look at it on low, medium, and high and take my photos. I'll now be doing the second part of exercise 1. This is the 2 negative M slide, which I'm going to label on this. The 2 indicates that this is the second slide. Negative indicates that the procedure will involve a negative stain, and M is indicates the sample is being taken from the mouth. So I'm going to open my pipette, this one, with the Congo red, and red stain over a trash can. Use a wet paper towel to wipe scissors after cutting the pipette. Throw used paper towel. Okay, so I'm going to cut the tip off. I'm going to place these over so I can wipe them down. Okay, red over the trash can. Use a wet paper towel to wipe scissors after cutting. Place a single drop on the slide inside of the labeled edge. Okay, I'm going to place a drop. So there's my drop. I'm going to gather my second sterile swab. I'm going to scrape the inside of my teeth and gums. And then I'm going to place it on my drop. Okay, now I'm going to put it in my drop. Okay. Now I need a blank slide. And I'm going to spread the dye across onto this slide. Allow the slide to completely air dry. So I don't think I got enough. Okay, now I'm gonna let them air dry. Both of them are gonna air dry, and I will be back again. Okay, so I let it air dry. I don't know if you saw it, but I placed it at a 30-degree angle and slid the Congo on, smeared it onto the original slide. Now I'm going to place it in my microscope, and I'm going to take photos at low, medium, and high. And that's exercise 1. Thank you.